Welcome. Today in front of me Google Pixel 6 Pro, and I'll show you how to unmute ringtone on this device. So first you should go to the settings application and then scroll to the sounds and vibration section. Here, as can you see, we got the ringtone notification volume panel, and just to unmute your ringtone, swap this blue dot to the right side with your finger. But if you just muted your ringtone by this another way, not just by here, I just demute the ringtone by swap this dot to the left side, because if you do it by this way, you can mute not only your ringtones but also the notification volume. And just to unmute your ringtone now, because as can you hear, we have now set the ringtone tone. You should just go here to the phone ringtone. As can you see, we got here known, selected the sound, the known one, and now just you should go to the sounds, and here select one from these ringtones, tap here to save, and as can you see, as can you hear, we just unmuted our ringtones on our Google Pixel 6 Pro. So that's how it looks, and if you found this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe our channel.